Welcome back. In this video, we will learn a new poem of a Marathi subject. हे खरे खरे व्हावे. I'll read the poem stanza-wise and explain it accordingly in English. हवेवरी त्या होत स्वार मी अवकाशी विहरावे. मनात माझ्या नेहमी येते मी पक्षी व्हावे. I would love to ride in the air by sitting on the winds, as I always wanted to be a bird. दवबिंदू होऊनी पहाटे गवतावर उतरावे. सूर्यप्रकाशे वाफ होऊनी पुन्हा परतावे. I wish to be that early dewdrop which lands on the grass, and as the sunlight falls on this dewdrop, it evaporates again. क्षितिजावरचे गडद रंग मी ढग होऊनी झुलावे. भरारणारा होऊन वारा चंद्राशी खेळावे. I wish to be those dark clouds hanging in the sky. So while the winds take me, I'll get to play with the moon. दुख्यापरी मी अलगद अलगद धरणीवर उतरावे. अवघे जग झाकुनी तयाला मिश्किलतेने पहावे. I wish to be the fog which slowly comes down and covers the land. I would watch everyone mischievously after covering the entire world with the fog. ऊर्जेचा तो स्तोत्र सूर्य मी अगदी जवळून पहावे. काळोखाला चिरत चिरत मी सूर्यकिरण व्हावा. I wish to look at the sun very closely, who is the source of the energy. I want to tear off the darkness by becoming a ray of the sun. निसर्गातल्या रंगामध्ये मी रंगून जावे. भास नको मज तुम्हा सांगतो हे खरे खरे व्हावे. ही कविता लिहिली आहे सुमती पवार यांनी. I wish to get engrossed in this colorful nature. I don't want to assume this, but I really feel that let all this be true. This poem is written by Sumati Pawar. The poetess wants to become a bird and ride in the sky. Then she feels like becoming a dewdrop and settle on the grass. She also wants to be the cloud who enjoys moving in the sky. She wishes to be like the fog and spread on the entire earth like a blanket. Lastly, she expresses to be a sun ray who destroys the darkness. She wants to be a part of the nature, which is so colorful and clean. So students, what do we learn? That we also need to maintain this beautiful and clean environment where our family and friends will be able to live life happily. So let's keep our earth clean. That's all for now. I hope this helps you clear the concepts. Take care and God bless.